Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So once you are on Facebook, you simply need to click on forget password, and here you need to mention your mobile number. So once you mention your mobile number here, so like suppose I mention this, and then you simply need to click on find account. Then it will find your account and you can click on continue, and it will send you a code. But sometimes you did not receive a code because you have a poor speed of your mobile network. So make sure that you have in the area where you have the good signals, as you can see that. And the second method, you simply need to go on to the Play Store, and you need to update your Facebook application as well. So you simply need to click on update, and after that you need to go into the settings of your smartphone, go into the app management, click on app list, and here you need to search for the Facebook, and you need to clear storage and cache, and after that you need to go back and open messages. So let me open, and here you can receive your code. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.